Let's venture today into the curious world of copypasta. It's a term you'll encounter on platforms such as 4chan, representing a block of text that is copied and pasted repeatedly, sometimes across various forums and platforms. This phenomenon, seemingly trivial, offers a fascinating look at the metaphysics of the internet. In the realm of ideas, copypasta is the digital embodiment of replication, a unique form of immortality in the internet age. Ideas, anecdotes, and phrases attain a form of life as they propagate across digital space, endlessly repeated, echoed, and re-echoed. This mirrors a concept from the philosophy of Plato, who proposed a realm of forms or ideas, perfect, unchanging representations of which the physical world is merely a shadow. In this view, copypasta could be seen as a form, an idea with a life of its own, propagating across the digital realm. Simultaneously, the act of copying and pasting embodies the Buddhist concept of samsara, the cycle of death and rebirth. Each act of copy-pasting is a rebirth, a continuation of the cycle. The copypasta may be altered slightly with each iteration, much like the soul in the samsara, which carries traces of past lives into the new. In the very act of copying and pasting, we can find a lesson in the Zen practice of mindfulness. Each repetition invites us to encounter the text as if for the first time, to engage with it in the present moment, free from the past and future. The communal nature of copypasta also reflects a fundamental tenet of metaphysics, the interconnectedness of all things. A copypasta spreads through collective effort, a shared joke, or a resonating thought. Each person who shares the copypasta becomes part of a larger collective, a digital community bound by shared experience. So friends, the next time you encounter a copypasta, consider its metaphysical implications. See it as a microcosm of the internet, a reflection of our collective consciousness, a glimpse into the nature of existence itself. As we share in this communal act of repetition and propagation, let us celebrate the interconnectedness, the shared humanity that it represents. Continuing our exploration of copypasta, we stumble upon yet another metaphysical gem. Beyond replication and immortality, copypasta underscores the concepts of impermanence and change. In its journey across the vast expanse of the digital landscape, a copypasta often evolves. Some iterations might add new elements, some might remove or alter existing ones. In this ongoing process of transformation, copypasta embodies Heraclitus's famous dictum, panta rhei, or everything flows. This reflects the constant flux of the universe, the ceaseless ebb and flow of creation and destruction. Nothing remains static. Everything is in a state of perpetual transformation. So it is with copypasta. As it traverses across forums and threads, it mirrors the universe's inherent dynamism. Furthermore, copypasta can be seen as an embodiment of the Taoist principle of Wu Wei, or action through inaction. It spreads not through conscious effort, but through spontaneous sharing. It flows naturally, effortlessly, guided by the collective actions of the community. Finally, each iteration of copypasta, while part of a continuum, is also a unique event. It echoes the Buddhist concept of tathata, or suchness. Each act of copying and pasting is a singular occurrence, a unique confluence of conditions, a momentary manifestation of suchness. So, dear friends, the next time you encounter a copypasta, see it not just as a block of text, but as a metaphysical manifestation of change, flow, and uniqueness. Let it remind you of the universe's inherent dynamism, the effortless flow of Wu Wei, the singular suchness of each moment. In this digital dance of text and context, let's find echoes of the cosmic dance of existence. Venturing deeper into the metaphysical world of copypasta, we discover that it offers us a unique opportunity to grapple with the concept of meaning. Each piece of copypasta, repeated and repurposed, takes on new layers of meaning with each iteration. This, my friends, mirrors the postmodernist idea of simulacra proposed by Jean Baudrillard. A simulacrum is a copy without an original, a representation that becomes its own reality. Copypasta, in its endless repetition, can be seen as a simulacrum. It becomes a reality in its own right, independent of its original context. Moreover, the journey of a copypasta piece echoes the Hindu philosophy of Lila, the cosmic play. Just as the universe is seen as a divine play of the gods in Hindu mythology, so too is the propagation of copypasta a kind of digital Leela. It is shared for the sheer joy of sharing, a play of words and meanings unfolding across the vast stage of the internet. Finally, each instance of copypasta carries within it the essence of dukkha, or suffering in Buddhist philosophy. The original context, the original pain or joy that gave birth to the copypasta, is often lost in repetition, yet it remains a ghostly presence. It is a poignant reminder of the fleeting nature of emotions, of the suffering inherent in existence. So as we encounter copypasta in our digital journey, let us remember these philosophical lessons it embodies. Let us see in it the postmodern simulacrum, the divine play of Leela, the ghostly echo of dukkha. Through this lens, even a simple act of copying and pasting becomes a doorway to profound metaphysical insights.